Honey is an amazing ingredient that helps to improve the health of every person. But it can only be useful for a person if it is consumed in the right dose, in addition to enjoying its aroma and taste. Honey, like anything else, consuming too much of it can cause problems such as high fever, vomiting, chills, and chest pain, and can also lead to severe poisoning. In this video, we will talk about 8 side effects of eating honey, and at the end, we will answer these 6 questions. Does eating honey and melon together cause death? Is honey a bee's excrement? What destroys the properties of honey? Can children under 2 years of age eat honey? Does honey have an expiry date? How much honey should we eat in a day? It is possible to increase blood sugar sometimes. If you want to keep your blood sugar level at a normal level so that you don't have any problems, you should control the amount of honey consumed daily. Not only is honey high in fructose, but it also contains a lot of glucose, which raises your blood sugar levels. In other words, honey is a sweet substance produced by bees from the nectar of plants, and its high consumption creates the conditions for diabetes. At the same time, most beekeepers give sugar to their bees. It can cause allergic reactions. Consuming raw honey can also give you mild to moderate allergies. This condition can be worse in people with pollen allergies. Its direct consumption can lead to allergy symptoms such as swelling, itching, inflammation, cough, asthma, wheezing, breathing problems, difficulty in swallowing, etc. Before continuing the video, please like the video and leave your comments at the end. To see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. It causes weight gain. One of the disadvantages of honey is that if it is consumed incorrectly, it can cause overweight and obesity. Honey is high in calories, and its frequent and high consumption causes weight gain. In addition, the carbohydrates in honey increase your energy for a short period. But as a result, these carbohydrates turn into fat in the body and cause weight gain. It causes tooth decay. According to researchers, honey consists of 82% sugar, i.e. glucose and fructose. 1 tablespoon of honey can give you almost 17 grams of sugar. Consuming a large amount of honey daily can stimulate bacterial activity in the mouth and eventually lead to tooth decay. May have the risk of drug interactions. One of the disadvantages of honey is consuming problems for people who take certain drugs such as antibiotics, stomach drugs, anticoagulants such as warfarin, aspirin, anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen, nervous system drugs, heart drugs, and weight loss supplements. Also, honey can drastically alter the regular drug process that uses the liver's cytochrome enzyme. This can cause severe health issues. Reduces blood pressure. Honey can significantly reduce blood pressure, which can sometimes be bad for your health. This is due to oligosaccharides, which are known as a special type of carbohydrate, and due to the antioxidant properties of honey, it can reduce high blood pressure to a great extent. Sometimes it causes damage to the nervous system. Honey is a natural sweetener that can sometimes damage your nervous system. Raw honey contains a group of chemical compounds called geranotoxin, which is toxic to our nervous system. Generally, these toxins are removed from food during pasteurization. But when raw honey is consumed, these toxins sometimes damage our nerve cells. As a result, the normal activities of our nervous system are disturbed. It can cause a stomachache. Consuming too much honey causes severe stomach pain. Honey is rich in fructose, which can interrupt the nutrient absorption capacity of your small intestine. It can also have long-term effects on your digestive system, causing some issues including flatulence, cramps, diarrhea, stomach upset. Before continuing the video, please like the video and leave your comments at the end. To see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Does eating honey and melon together cause death? Honey and melon are not compatible with each other, and it is better not to use them together. From the reaction of the combination of honey and melon in the stomach, a new substance is formed that is hard and slow to digest. And as a result, the stomach will need a lot of time to digest it. For this reason, there will be a lot of pressure on the digestive system, and severe heartache and colic contractions will be formed. Taking these two at the same time causes a severe reaction in some people and causes the person to lose complete and temporary consciousness. Of course, these side effects are not fatal, but people's ignorance of this condition can cause death. Is honey a bee's excrement? No. Honeybees have two stomachs. Honey and nectar are stored in the first stomach or beehive, and the second stomach is related to the bee's digestive system. What destroys the properties of honey? Heating the honey destroys the honey's enzymes, and boiling it makes the honey toxic. Can children under 2 years of age eat honey? No. Honey is one of the prohibited foods for children under 2 years of age. The reason why honey is included in the list of forbidden foods for children under 2 years old is the botulism toxin produced in the stomach of children under 2 years old. Does honey have an expiry date? Both yes and no. If natural honey is kept in good and proper conditions, it has no expiration date. But keeping honey in bad conditions causes fermentation and spoilage of honey. How much honey should we eat in a day? The allowed amount of honey is 3 to 5 tablespoons per day. 1 to 2 spoons in the morning with fruit, beans, or yogurt. 1 spoon before going to bed. and 1 to 2 spoons as a snack with foods and fruits or in combination with food. The daily consumption of honey per person should not be more than 10% of the calories that the body receives. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. If you have any questions or comments, I will be happy if you leave me a comment.